All right, so I just put the cover back on, and what I'm going to do now is turn on the power switch, and you'll hear it hum, and we'll see all the pilot lights and see what they look like now. So here, turn on the power switch. That's the filament voltage, and the two load and tune lights come on. The meter is not showing anything because we don't have the high voltage on yet. But everything's running. We'll flick that on. Now we can see the meter, about 2700 volts, complete voltage, and nothing for the current to retransmit. And you can see the operate lights. Goes there, goes there. And if I hit the tune button, there. Oh, if I do that, I suppose you can see the there. So very good. So my next video, what I'll do is I'll hook up the dummy load and the transmitter, and you'll see the power going in, power coming out, and it should be all exciting. And then that'll be it. Thanks. Bye.